Today, we're discussing something that's crucial for those in the trucking and transportation industry: BOC-3 filing. Whether you're a seasoned trucker or just getting started, this is something you need to know about. First off, what exactly is BOC-3? It's a form that designates a process agent in every state where you operate. This is mandatory for motor carriers, brokers, and freight forwarders. Process agents are the people who can accept legal papers on your behalf if you're involved in a lawsuit in that state. So, it's pretty important. Now, you might be wondering why this is necessary. Well, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, or FMCSA, requires it to ensure that you have someone to receive legal documents in every state you're active in. This keeps things organized and ensures you're reachable if any legal issues arise. Another important thing to note is that only a process service agency registered with the FMCSA can file a BOC-3 on your behalf. This means you can't file it yourself unless you're an authorized agent, which is why most carriers choose to go through a third-party service. This ensures not only compliance, but peace of mind, knowing the filing is done right the first time. Filing a BOC-3 can seem daunting, especially if you're new to this. It's not just about filling out a form. It's about making sure you have the right process agents lined up in all the necessary states. This is where FMCSA Registration can help. At FMCSAregistration.com, we simplify the process, ensuring your filing is done correctly and efficiently. One thing to remember is that the BOC-3 needs to be filed before you start your operations. Without it, you're not legally allowed to operate. It's a critical step in getting your business up and running smoothly. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the paperwork, don't worry, you're not alone. Many people in the industry find this process confusing and time-consuming. That's why it's a smart move to rely on experts who can handle this for you, so you can focus on what you do best, running your business. If you need help with your BOC-3 or any other FMCSA registration needs, visit us at FMCSAregistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707. So, whether you're hitting the road for the first time or you're a seasoned pro, make sure your BOC-3 filing is in place. It's a small step that can save you a lot of headaches down the line. Thanks for tuning in and safe travels out there.